Let's talk quickly about the directions for use for the SenSci Volcano bedbug monitor or detector. And what you have here is it's going to come in two pieces. When you open up the box, you're going to see you're going to have the top and the bottom. Again, seems relatively self-explanatory, but believe it or not, it's very easy to not do this properly. And so when you look at the bottom is actually going to have a concave figure to it, shall we say. On the inside is a textured square, and you have a recycling logo on the outside and a Made in the USA on the outside. So, when you snap this in to the top, you want to make sure it snaps in, and you want to make sure you can read on the bottom the Made in USA sign, and the recycling logo should be properly oriented so you can read it. Also, what you want to keep in mind is that the texture on the bottom should actually be inside the monitor, that textured square. And that's the proper way to create a volcano. And if you're going to put an active packet inside the volcano, you want to make sure when you snap it closed that the active packet is not pinched in that point where it snaps closed. You want to make sure if you shake it, you can actually hear the active packet bounce around inside of it so it's not snapped into the actual edge.